Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. So today's agenda is the Botanical Garden, which we just entered. Pretty crazy. They get a ride down in the golf cart. Not cool. And after that, we're gonna do a super dope hike with some guys. A little tired. Stayed up last night watching The Joker, which I'm not a big fan of, like Gotham City, you know? But it was alright. Mosquitoes, they just feel like I'm sweet or something. Worker just told me that it's an absolute privilege for him to work in a place like this and upkeep it, and it's gonna blow my mind. Oh, there's some bamboo right here. Mom, you found that on the floor. Oh my goodness. So this place is absolutely incredible. I forgot my battery charger on the other side of the island where we're staying at. Trying to save my battery because I'm on my backup. There's just too much to film here, and if you ever wondered what a mango tree looks like, check it out. Look at this beast. No wonder mangoes are so good. So that there concludes the Botanical Garden. On to some more waterfalls, chasing waterfalls, baby. Hey, how's it going? Akaka Falls. Check out some falls. Whoa, almost just slipped, dude.
Это лиликоя.
Passion
fruit.
Passion fruit. She's eating it. Taste test? It tastes even better when you pick it up off the floor. Facts, bro. It's gonna be really cool if we get down there.
I'd like to get to it.
Yeah, man, I'd do it. Parachute or something. Guess we have to go Tarzan on him to get down there, so another time. Yeah. Ready for this? It's the great and mighty Akaka Falls. Oh yeah. Shoot, stop. Oh. Slow down, slow down. Oh shoot, okay. We're cool, we're cool. Just too excited, man. Alright, y'all. Stopped at this farm stand. Little Koi. Cheers. Alright, we're about to do the Narnia hike. There's people coming down over there. It's about to be dope. My phone, man, it's been busted the past couple of days. Like, this is kind of what it looks like. Man, it's all glitching out, dude. Oh man, it's crazy. I don't know if you can see that, but alright, waiting for the boys to pull up.
Right off of there.
Dang, I need to do that. That's crazy. Alright, boys pulled up. Eddie, Tim.
What's up, dude? We got a vlogger in the house.
Yeah, dude. We're doing my first vlog, man. Y'all have the honor of being in the vlog.
Hey, show us a good location, though.
Yeah, dude's doing it barefoot, man. But I love it. Dude. I almost feel like
Tarzan Jr.
Yeah. What is it? University of Hilo, right?
Yeah. They have a pretty decent program.
She was like, yeah, it's like mostly a bunch of computer science majors and nursing and yada yada.
Yeah, I mean, they also got a ton of useless stuff like underwater basket weaving and lesbian dance theory and whatever.
Yeah.
Eddie, you got any cuts on your feet, bro? No?
I can't even feel them anymore.
He's numb to it.
Dude.
Oh. 3, 2, 1, boom! Cue the music, dude. Okay, that's
usually when this place is overflowing, there's about a foot of water over this thing, so that should tell you. It's still gonna be super nice up there.
Stay off the heels. from Alaska, I could tell. Y'all just like hop, hop, hop. Oh, oh. You ready, bro?
I'm gonna jump right next to
You're going in
GoPro.
first, right?
Like that? Flying with it.
That?
Yeah.
We're doing a product shoot. Alright. You don't have JBL audio. What are you even doing, man?
They got one B-roll. They got one.
Cliff diving.
And then, no, you touch it and 2-1. Okay?
20, 30 footer.
Better.
Alright, y'all. My battery's like dead. So that concludes the vlog. Probably catch y'all tomorrow. I'm 4%. Eddie, Tim, doing backflips. Let's get it. Oh yeah, and then there's that, just a side note, you know.